Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SoFi credit card online services, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.sofi.com and press enter. Once the SoFi homepage loads, look for the login option at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Click on the link that says register. Now, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and input it in the password field. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. Click Continue to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to provide your personal details. Fill in your first name and last name. Enter your phone number ensuring it includes the correct area code. Provide your address including city, state, and zip code. After entering your address, select your date of birth. Once you have filled in the required information, click Continue. You may need to complete a verification process through your phone or email. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. After verification, you will be asked to agree to SoFi's terms and conditions. Read through the terms, and if you agree, check the box. Click on Create Account to finalize your registration. You should receive a confirmation message saying your account has been created. Now, you can log in using your newly created email and password. Once logged in, explore the SoFi credit card online services. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Congratulations, you are now registered with SoFi credit card online services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.